Hello everyone. So I think last video we put out there I showed you guys a box that I had here, and you see Thorn around here, he's so nosy. And it's Shorty from Killer Klowns from Outer Space. Don't worry, buddy. So I'm gonna put this together really quick and then play it. We'll see how Thorn does with it, because he has his little toys right here. He has R2-D2. When we put that on, it kind of moves. He goes a little crazy for that. So this thing actually moves, and it has switchable hands. And I also have an unboxing I'm going to show right after this too. I'll show you guys. So I'm going to put this together first, show you that, and then I'll show you the box what I have coming up soon. All right. And of course I got to do the shot and back with my Michael Myers mask back there. So my plan is over here. I got my humidor right here, and I have this dresser here. I don't know if I ever showed everyone that. Some of the stuff I have here. My plan is to put my humidor upstairs in our second bedroom, and IKEA's got these nice cases that can fit all the masks. So instead of having them on the wall, I'm going to put them on stands and get some LED lights and stuff. So it's one of the projects I'm going to have over the winter. Alright, so I'll be back once I'm done with Shorty. So there's a lot more assembly to this than I thought. You got the head, you got the gloves, and there's hands here, and there's the whole device here, like a bass, and so you could put on the sound and the effects that move. So I'm going to be here for a little bit trying to put this together, but I'll be back. Alright everyone, there he is, Shorty. It also comes with a two hands I can replace that are boxing gloves, but I figure I'll keep the clown hands on her now for now. But it's pretty cool. So on the back here, there's a sensor back here, so you just put your hand in there like this and put it to the right. If I find it, there it is. No. There it is. There you go. Hey, come on, Shorty. And there's a little guy. Thorn, who is that? Who is that? Who's that? Get him! Get him! Thorn, who's that? Look! Ow! Thorn! Who's that? Alright. So there's our Shorty, a new part of our household. I don't think Thorn likes him too much. Oh, there's another show. He wants to put on some more shows for us. Alright everyone, so I'm back. So you guys saw Shorty. I actually got that Shorty, the life-size animatronic. I got that from Spirit. And that was, I got a 20% off coupon on that, a one-time use for one item. So that's how I got that. I waited for that. Luckily, they were all sold out a few months ago, and I didn't want to pay the full amount. I think it was like $2.19. So I got, $40 off on that one with the 20% off. So that was a good deal. So this right here, I got a box, another one. And if you guys recall, I got Rudy right there. Okay, he's still hanging outside of the box because I don't have a place to put him yet, which I'm working on. Let me get my camera set up. Sorry about that. So I don't have, hold on. There we go. So I don't have a place to put, like I said earlier, over the winter I'm going to look at a casing, like a see-through shelf, glass shelf that I saw at IKEA that you can display all your masks and everything. I'm going to put that, instead of having them all on the wall, I'm going to display all the masks I got in there. And then put some other cool stuff in there that relates to that movie or whatever that mask is about. So like for example, my Michael Myers mask, I'm going to get LED lights in there. And then probably I have a couple of little figures with Michael Myers and maybe like a little plaque or something. I'll do some cool stuff with that I'll show you guys. So right here. So last week, you guys saw we're at Cedar Point. And I bought a couple raffle tickets from DSS Masks, and I'll put his name in the bottom again, in the description, like I did last time for the unmasking there. So I put my name in for a raffle, and I believe there was like a 45 people that were in the raffle. They were $10 each. I believe I got 2 of them, so I got 2 tickets for $20, and I actually won. It was pretty cool. We were at Cedar Point, and we got back Friday night, and then I think it was Saturday that he did the drawing, and Paul Daniels is his name, and I believe he did the drawing on Saturday. And when we got back from the park, that's when I noticed that I won. So it was awesome. So he sent this to me. I got this, so I'm going to show you guys. Here it is. Look at that. And not only did I win this, he also raffled off the gloves that go with it, or the hands, the clown hands. So this is Shorty, just like downstairs, but this is more realistic than the one downstairs. That's Spirit, but so what? This is cool. Look at this. I believe this is wearable. Yep. There's slits in there. So there it is. There's Shorty. Look at the amazing artwork this guy does. Yeah, Paul Daniels is awesome. This is the 3rd thing I got from him now. I have Rudy, which I showed you guys last time, and I also have the headgear for Jason as well that you put on. It opens around your face. So I'll probably show you guys that next time, but I wanted to show you this. So here's the mask. Look at how awesome that is, the detail. I mean, it's amazing. There's the head. Here we go. I mean, look at the teeth and the paint job. I mean, everything on here is amazing. The hair is nice and soft. I mean, it's like movie quality. So I'm not going to put it on, though, because you need, like, baby powder and stuff sometimes to get it in there, because of the inside, it's kind of, for the latex, it's hard to get the mask on sometimes. So there's not Rudy. There's Shorty, okay? And then here's the gloves. I'm going to show you guys. So it also comes with this, too. So he also comes on with the, I wouldn't say the apron, but the neck piece for it, too, for him, just like downstairs. Too bad I couldn't put this helmet on the animatronics, but I got the helmet, this mask. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be inside of my display over the winter when I get that. And then here's the gloves. So I'm going to put Shorty down really quick, and I'll show you the gloves. So here's the gloves. Again, I'm not going to put these, well, I mean, I'll try them on a little bit, yeah, see. Because maybe next year we may do this, we may be for Halloween. Possibly, we could be Killer Klowns. I just have to get the outfit, so. Yeah, it fits really good, look at that. There's the gloves for Shorty. They're like perfect. So all we need is like the costume part, the piece, the body piece. And we'll be set to go. Alright. That's all I had. There you see how our crazy home with all the stuff, as you see the girl from The Walking Dead in the back. That's part 1, the first episode, when Rick is walking at the gas station and the little girl comes out and picks up her bunny rabbit. And Rick has to kill her. And then there's Shorty. And then Rudy. So these will be displayed. And there's the gloves. So these will be displayed sometime over the winter. And then what I'll do is I'll do a vlog and kind of show you guys, you know, what I'm doing with the cases and the LED lights and what I'm going to display and put in there, okay? So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I think we're going to be going maybe to drive through a haunted house or like a park. So we might have a couple more videos over the next week. And then in like 3 weeks from now, we're going to Florida. So we're looking forward to that. We'll be, you know, recording a lot there, okay? So take care, everyone.